still ain't ran out of luck. I still ain't ran out of bucks. Still ain't ran out of no drink in my cup. Still ain't ran out of no gas on my butt. I still need more than enough. I still got bitches more than the fuck. I still ain't ran out of luck. I still ain't ran out of bucks.
Alright, so now we're gonna be putting on the exhaust manifold. I'm gonna clean that off real quick and then we're gonna put the gasket back on. So now I got the header gasket in. It's correct spot, but I just want to clean everything off before everything goes back. So now we're going to be installing this header that I bought off eBay probably like 4 or 5 years ago. Alright, so y'all probably gonna laugh at me. I'm using my old rotor that's been sitting outside for about 5 years, holding this whole engine up so I could put this on. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be installing the air pump delete or block off. I don't know what the fuck you call it. And this will be going right over here. But I gotta find the bolts because I do not know where they are. Alright, so one thing that I'm going to be replacing, I purchased it already and I'm just waiting for it to come in, is the 3 pulleys. As you can see, I moved mine already. All I did was take off these 4 10mm bolts and it was able to come off easily. There's not that much rust on there, so that's pretty good. It's a good sign. So this, I'm only going to be needing this right here, and that's it. So we're going to keep this, clean it off, and wait until the part comes in. Hey everybody, how's it going? So guess what came in the mail today? It's just a bunch of screws. So there it is, people. The oil metering pump. So this is gonna be real quick because I don't have the engine in the car, and I already showed you guys yesterday the 3 bolts that I removed. I'm gonna just take this one off now. Alright, so now the kit is inside. The only bolt that I need to tighten up or put a bolt on is right over here. But pretty firm and solid. So there it is. I like it. So now I'm pretty much done with the OMP kit. Only thing I have to do is just route the tube to the engine once the engine is inside the car. And then I gotta put the washer fluid sensor piece in there, fill it up with oil, two-stroke, and washer fluid, and we're pretty much done here. So there it is, people. Done. So this is all I had. This is all I could have done today because I have work in an hour or so. And I'm out.